What can we make with these lovely little ovals? They come in all sorts of colours, of course, but one flower that looks amazing in floral designs, whether that be from crockery, glass, it's just one of those flowers that everyone has, are cone flowers. And a cone flower has like a great big knob at the top with its petals hanging down. So we could do a big knob if we wanted to, but let's do it this way because it's just easier on the eye. So we have our standard oval, and then we have these petals which are the right shape this end but not for this end. So we want to cut those off very similarly to we did to the other ones. So here we just once again take the points off. And you can take as much or as little off as you want, of course. And then you basically have this arrangement for your cone flower, and the petals hang down like that. Now how easy is that one to do? So you could use different size petals for that as well. So I'll do 3 of those so you can see a little flock or a host of beautiful cone flowers. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Oh, that was very quick and easy. So you can see how effective that can look if you had a host of these, or a field, or whatever it is that you're making, but around a flower pot. And that's what I'm looking at in terms of these simple flowers, because they look great on our garden flower pots or succulent pots, or really wherever you want to do them. It's all up to you. I hope you like that one.